government. The details in our report. I want to tell you that today is your lucky day. I don't know if everyone will be able to watch this broadcast, but only those who were lucky enough to find it will be able to take advantage of this opportunity. You must understand me. It is not possible to provide access to this financial platform to everyone, and suddenly everyone becomes a millionaire. Let's get to the point. Yes. With a small investment of $250, you can earn more than $1,000 a week. This is absolutely real. It's like an early retirement or a race that multiplies your savings many times over. Now listen carefully. Will they only be able to watch this video once? If they close this page, they will not be able to return, as your link will expire, as will your opportunity to profit. This has nothing to do with forex trading, pyramid schemes, or other nonsense that is everywhere. This is an investment in a well-known company that, at our request, has provided access to automated trading of resources and other assets it works with. The software they have developed surpasses all its competitors thanks to its unique technologies and works on any computer or mobile phone. Its analytical functions, based on artificial intelligence, allow you to predict market trends, guaranteeing incredible success in any financial market. The algorithm does everything for you. All you have to do is observe the results. Could you tell me how many people have already joined and what results they have obtained? We tested our product with a small group of volunteers, and each of them earned over $1,500 in the first week. I'll tell you this, I'm willing to give you your money back out of my own pocket if you don't earn your $1,000 in the first week. Until now, there has not been a single person who has not achieved this result. No special skills needed. If you are watching this video, it means that your device is compatible with this platform. This sounds very convincing. Could you say specifically what people watching this should do now? Now comes the most important information. Attention. To start using the program, you must enter the website and enter your data. A personal manager will then contact you to answer all your questions and provide you with access to the platform. Agreement with the manager guarantees that your place will be reserved. If you do not answer the manager's call, your place will be assigned to the next interested party. From that moment on, his life will change. You can call this a new level, and I'm sure you won't regret it.
Si BBM, mamimiss ng mga Pilipino.
Ganun?
Oh, the only Filipino president na hindi nagpaduro sa mga dayuang gusto mang-agaw ng lupa natin.
Nga po.
Yan.
Hindi naman kayo nagpapalakas kay BBM yan.
Hindi ko na kailangan magpalakas, diba? Retired na ako eh. Baka hindi niyo napansin, nag-retire ako 2 months ago, officially.
Opo.
Ay, inabot ko na sa susunod na management yung pagpatakbo ng kumpanya.
Opo.
Of course, tatapusin ko itong mga sinimulan ko, paglilinis ng ilog,
Opo.
yung mga tinatapos kong karsada.
Pero para sabihin yung after 2028, mamimiss nila si Presidente Marcos eh. First time ako nakarinig ng isang katulad niya na nagsalita ng gano'n ha.
Kasi alam niyo, ako naman, di ko naman kailangan magsip-sip kahit kanino eh, di ba? Because for many years, makikita mo, yung leader, hindi naman talaga bumababa sa detalye.
Opo.
Hindi nagtatanong ng detalya. Ano yung paano mo gagawin yung airport? Paano mo yung mga detalya? Very seldom you can see that. Pero itong si BBM, masipag eh. Tsaka iniintindi niya yung mga detalye. Can you imagine, pinatawag pa ako para makausap yung mga detalye, i-present ko rin sa kanya yung mga timeline, o ano-ano. I think very seldom you can experience that. Eh ako naman nagsasabi lang ng totoo kasi sabi nga eh, retired na ako eh. Hindi ko na kailangan mambola, hindi ko na kailangan magsipsip. Wala naman ako makukuha sa sipsip dahil retired na ako eh. Beyond 28, dapat ang next leader will also cooperate with private sector to improve tuloy-tuloy ang paglinis ng ilog, tuloy-tuloy ang pag-expand ng karsada, pagpapahaba, pagpapalapat ng mga karsada, tuloy-tuloy hanapin yung mga solution ng problema. Kasi kung next time, hindi ganun ng priority, eh may iba yung landas natin, di ba? Kaya, I think, ngayon pa lang, eh, may train sana sa mga susunod na leader na Huwag pabayan yung 5 major problem ng Pilipinas. Sa pagkain naman, kaya nagmamahal yan, supply and demand. O tingnan mo, yung manok, nagmamahal yan. Antayin nyo lang konti, a few more, 1 or 2 more years. Pagka naitayo na namin yung mga mega poultry namin, aba, each location, 80 million birds yan. Is 12 location and 960 million birds. Each chicken is 2.5 kilos. Produce more. Produce more poultry, produce more rice, produce more corn, produce more fish. Kundi equals reasonable price. Eh ngayon, kung mapabayaan natin yung mga production na yan, mamahal yan. Kasi kung magiging puro imported na lang pagkain natin, mamahal na. Alam niyo, there's no satisfaction eh. Pagka tinignan mo, gumanda na buhay natin, nagkatrabaho na tayong marami, wala na tayong baha, nabawasan na yung mga problema. Still, yung mga perfectionist, maraming sasabihin yun. Eh ngayon, kung intindi mo yung mga kalaban mo, wala ka ng tamang gagawin. Lahat yun, upakan ka araw-araw. Kaya ang payo ko sa ating gobyerno, tuloy lang ang trabaho. Huwag niyo intindihin yung mga batikos o marami mga comment na alanganin kasi kaya naman sila nagko-comment, wala silang magawa sa buhay eh. Di ba? Kaya nagko-comment yan. Madalas, it's either kalaban mo talaga, wala na maganda sasabihin yun. Ay mga tamat, wala na ginawa yun, kundi araw-araw makomment lang na masama yun. Huwag mo na intindihin yun. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang ang trabaho. Ang payo ko sa mga kababayan natin, be patient. Filipino are very patient. And Filipino are very intelligent. Naintindihan nyo naman kung paninira o totoo. Yun na lang. Pag naintindihan nyo naman, pagtyagaan nyo at pagtiisan nyo ng konti, gaganda ang buhay natin lalo. Paganda na ng paganda ito. Kaya, hindi naman magic yan eh. Parang hindi naman overnight you can solve everything eh. Parang kamukha ng airport. Pag nagawa mo na yung vehicular traffic going to the airport, malamig na yung aircon, masarap na yung pagkain, gumagana na escalator, elevator, walkalator. May reklamo na naman sila for sure. Bakit mahal ang pagkain? Dapat libre yan. You cannot satisfy everyone. Pag na-delay yung Japan Airline, PAL, or Cebu, magagalit din sa atin yun. In short, you cannot satisfy everyone. They all have their own opinion. They're entitled to their opinion, di ba? Kaya, pagtiisan mo na ang katuning. At kung may mga kababayan tayo na medyo hindi makaintindi, huwag mo naman tawagin bobo yun. Tawagin mo na lang impatient.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.